Spirit of DeKalb Awards.
Arthur M. Blank Innovation. John Hope Bryant. John Hope Bryant is an American financial literacy entrepreneur and businessman. Bryant is the founder, chairman, and chief executive officer of Operation Hope, chief executive officer of Bryant Group Ventures, and the Promise Homes Company. John is the co-founder of Global Dignity, advisor to business and government entities, and author of best-selling books on economics and leadership. He served as a member of the President's Advisory Council on Financial Capability, the vice chair on the U.S. President's Advisory Council on Financial Literacy, and as the chairman of the Committee on the Underserved. In 2019, John expanded his financial literacy efforts to DeKalb County, where through RBC Bank, he has provided more than $20 million in home loans and down payment assistance to DeKalb County residents through his partnership with Commissioner Lorraine Cochran Johnson. Arthur M. Blank Innovation. John O'Callahan. John O'Callahan is the president and CEO of Atlanta Neighborhood Development Partnership, where he leads the organization's programs to develop, finance, and advocate for affordable housing at scale that promotes equity in healthy communities where families thrive. Under John, ANDP partners with local nonprofits, state, federal, and government entities to address housing and better deploy community development-focused capital. ANDP helped to spearhead Piece by Piece, a regional foreclosure response initiative comprised of more than 150 public and private partners. John's board appointments include Truist Bank, Regions Bank, Iberia Bank, Housing Partnership Network, National Housing Conference, Framework, and Atlanta Metropolitan College Foundation. In 2018, through the Condita Fund, John was chosen to oversee Home South DeKalb, a 3-year initiative to lift home ownership rates, restore family wealth, increase neighborhood stability, and improve resident health and wellness outcomes in South DeKalb. With the initiative, ANDP invested $20 million of its existing and new capital to improve areas hardest hit by the foreclosure crisis, especially those neighborhoods impacted by the lingering effects of negative equity. Arthur M. Blank Innovation. Jeff Taylor. Jeff Taylor is the Chief Executive Officer of MedCura Health, a company he has positioned as a leader in its field, both locally and nationally. He partners with diverse organizations, including Grady Health System, World Relief, the DeKalb Community Service Board, Absolute Care, the International Rescue Committee, the DeKalb County Board of Health, Georgia Primary Care Association, and the National Association of Community Health Centers to meet the diverse needs of their patients. MedCura's specialty health services include vision, dental, podiatry, behavioral health, infectious disease, gastroenterology, and family health. With care for the communities he serves, Jeff has mastered outreach to vulnerable and underserved communities to increase health equity. He was on the front line of COVID testing and vaccines from the earliest inception of the pandemic and is outspoken on health-related issues including long COVID that affects Black, brown, and underserved communities.